It is the attorney Lilet Matias trademark. May pa-assignment ka agad sa sarili bago tanggapin yung kaso. May baka talaga eh.
Wala pa kasi tayong access dun sa mga supporting documents ng paratang ni Trixie. Ito na muna. Kailangan kong makasigurado sa mga gagawin ko. Hindi naman kasi biro yung mga involved eh. Kailangan ko tong personal investigation para gawin kong basihan ng magiging desisyon ko.
Effort din talaga to, ha? Oh, si Elio. Tara, kusapin natin.
Let's talk later.
Hi, Hailey. Salamat pinagbigyan mo kami, ah.
Don't worry. Hindi kami magtatagal. Mabilis lang to. Sige na, tangin mo na.
What are you gonna ask me?
Nung gabi ng party,
Nung dinate crush niya yung party ni Ina.
Gumawa na ako ng sworn statement doon kina Trixie. Ang nasabi ko lang yung pagpunta namin doon. Wala na akong alam na iba. Okay?
ay, Hailey, sandali lang. Nakita mo bang magkasama si Ino tsaka si Trixie?
Hindi nga eh. Bad trip si Trixie that night. That's a fact. She even pushed me away. I ended up hanging out with other guests sa party.
Wala ka bang napansin kakaiba kay Trixie nung gabi yun?
What do you mean? Like, during Ino's party?
Sa beach, after she pushed you away or before that?
Wala naman. I didn't bother na pansinin na siya kasi she's always like that. Kung yun ang gusto mong malaman, it's nothing new for me.
Can you elaborate?
Fine. Off the record, she has this attitude na nagtatanim ng galit o sama ng loob. Like what she did to Ino. Galit na galit siya kay Ino and she even warned him that she's gonna make him pay for dumping her. Sabi niya, Ino will regret kung bakit siya nakipagwalay sa kanya. Okay na? I have to go already.
Anong naaalala niyo nung party? Kahit ano, ikwento niyo.
The party was a blast. We had so much fun, di ba?
And the beach was awesome.
Actually, yeah. May pictures kami dito. Ito.
Saan ako niyan? Ayun.
Keep natin dyan.
Wala si Ino sa mga pictures na yan. Nasaan siya nung kinuna niyo yan?
Saan nga ba siya? Bigla na lang siya nawala ng time na yun.
Hindi ko maalala eh. Pero one thing I remember is we enjoyed the party. Diba?
Yeah, I remember during the party, kinantsawan pa nga natin si Ino, di ba? About Trixie leaving her. And we told him, he didn't like Trixie kasi hindi siya ma-score. Well, that's a little bit rude of us, no? But Ino told us, kaya-kaya naman daw ma-score kay Trixie. Well, that's our Ino.